Hello there! We are back with yet another activity. Today we are going to draw shapes. Yes, it is a three-sided shape, and can you tell me which one this is? It is a triangle. That's right. So we have multiple shaped triangles right here, and all we have to do is draw it on the side. So are you ready with your pencil? That's great. At first, we will start making the smallest triangle. You can either start by making the triangle or even start by making dots and then join the dots. All you have to do is keep your scale wherever required, which are joining two dots, and then make a line right there. So let's start by making the next dots and joining it with our scale or without the scale. If we notice, this triangle is a little slant, isn't it? So let's make it together. Did you know that there are three types of triangle? They are called acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Let's follow the steps and start making the other triangles. If you notice, we have made the smallest triangle first and then bigger than that and then the biggest. Also, first triangle which we are making is being made with free hand, wherein we are not using a scale. And the second one, which is in the box, is being made with the help of a scale. Always remember, you need to make the dots first and then join it to make the triangle. Continue making the next one. Yes, in a similar way. This is so much fun, isn't it? That's great. Make the dots for the next one now. And then join it. Are you with me? Are you having fun? Well, yes, I'm having fun too. If you notice, in the next line which we have made here, we have made the biggest triangle first, then the smaller, then smaller than that, and finally the smallest. It was an interesting activity, isn't it? Finally, we are done with the drawing. If you wish to sketch it with me, then you can take your black sketch pen and start sketching. If you do not have a black sketch pen, not to worry, you can skip this part and then color directly. It is always better to use a sketch pen so that our drawing looks neat and clean. Make sure you go right on top of the pencil marks while sketching. It is advisable to go very slow while sketching. Continue making all the triangles in a similar way. If you feel that it is difficult for you to sketch faster, then you can pick up your hand in the middle and sketch slowly. Finally, we are done with sketching all the triangles, isn't it? If we see pencil marks like these, then we can erase it with our eraser. Why don't we start coloring this part first and then the other part? Which color do we see first? Any guesses? Yes, this is called a red color. So let's take the red color and start with the outline. It is very important to start with the outline so that we do not go out of the shape while coloring. This is amazing. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces in the middle or scribble while coloring. You have to color only in one direction after doing the outline. Let's complete coloring the red color together. Now, let's take pink color for the next one. Yes, we will take the shades which are similar to the ones in the book. If you do not have similar shades, not to worry, you can pick whichever color you like. That's great. Now can you tell me which is the next one? Yes, this is called violet color. Do you have violet color with you? Okay then, let's grab it and color it together. You remember the drill. Outline first and then color inside. Let's take the next color, which is... Yes, the color of the tree leaves. Can you tell me? Green color, you're absolutely right. And we are done with the right side triangles. Now let's complete the left side triangles. If you notice, this is a green color as well, but it is a different shade of green. This is a lighter version, don't you think so? Yes. Now, let's take the next color, which is the color of the sky. Can you tell me? Yes, this is blue color. Let's pick our light blue color and start coloring the triangle. Make sure you do the corners properly so that no white spaces are seen. Now comes the next color. It is dark blue color. Yes, we might have multiple shades of blue in our color box. Don't worry and don't get confused. You can take the color which is closest to the one mentioned in the book. Also, you can take a piece of paper and try coloring on that so that you understand which shade it is. And finally, the last color we see is purple color. Yes, again, it is a different shade of purple. Finally, complete coloring the triangle. This looks amazing, isn't it? We are done with all the triangles now.